Okay, so as you can see, this is the account I used in making all the videos I made, and I'll be using the same account to show you how to get as many tCORE as possible daily. So what you need basically is just your phone, your one Metamask wallet. So click on this menu, click on this stuff here, this account one stuff, the drop down. So when you click on it, you see something like this. Now what you just need to do is to create wallets. Now I would say you should create around 15 to 20 wallets per person. Please, this is mandatory if we want to move far. For me, I have 25 wallets on my main wallet. I have 25 and I claim it every day. So please, everyone should support. It's a bit stressful, but it's just for 10 days. So I've created second wallet, wallet 2, wallet 3, create new wallets, and so on and so forth. So I'll pause the video to just create also, I won't waste time. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'll be using just 10. So now remember, on the first wallet, we have claimed our tCORE and USDT. So let's move to our second wallet. Just click on wallet 2. Now we're on wallet 2. Copy the wallet address. Go to your browser. Now we have this list already here. This one is to swap. We are on the swapping one, so we need to go to we need to go to the one that is for receiving tCORE, which is this one, the second one here. So now what you just basically need to do is to paste your wallet address. Now if we are to click on I am not a robot and get tCORE, they will tell us that we can't receive again, you understand? So fire hydrant, this is it, verify. So let's see it. They'll tell us to wait for some time. See, 19 hours 25 minutes. So what we just do is we are going to be using VPN for this. VPN. So I have two VPN. I'll be using any of them. So I can use, let's say I want to go to Peru. Now you can download another VPN, any VPN of your choice, as long as it is free. Now on Peru, there is no free VPN to join. Let me see, fake Atlantica, no free VPN. No free VPN. So let me just look for, okay, I think there's free VPN in Okong. That's Okong Victoria. So the free VPN is characterized by this love emoji stuff or whatever, this love symbol. So it has connected. So we just go back to our this thing. We have connected. Put your fingerprint if it asks. You get, sometimes it will write no network. Just click on try again. So now click on I am not a robot. So cars. This one has car, and then let's see new ones. This one has a car. Okay, I think that's all. So click on get tCORE. Get tCORE, and let's just wait. So you can see funded in transaction. It shows funded in transaction. Then click on it again. I'm not a robot. And palm trees. Click on verify. Click on get SUSDT. Now you can see funded in transaction. So the next thing is to move to your wallet 3. This is wallet 3. Now click on wallet. Click on copy. Copy your wallet address of the wallet 3. Go back to your browser. Now, sorry, there's something we missed in the wallet 2. So let's switch back to wallet 2. This is our wallet 2. There's something we missed. Now you can see only your tCORE is showing, your USDT is not showing. So go back to your browser. Click on add USDT to Metamask. Click on add token. Now you see they gave us 138 USDT. Click on add token. So now we are moving to wallet 3. This is the wallet 3, account 3. So you put the address of the account 3, just paste. Now the next thing is to go and change the location of your VPN. So we've used Okong Victoria. We need another one. Let's go to Turkey. Sorry. Turkey is okay. Let's just go for another one. Turkey. Okay, Turkey. So Istanbul, Istanbul. Let's go for Istanbul. It's a free VPN. You get, so it is connected. Now once it is connected, put your fingerprints if it asks for that. Like I said before, I don't want this video to be too long. This is what I was talking about. They will tell you are offline. Just click on try again and to come back online. So don't forget to paste your new wallet address of the wallet 3. Click on I am not a robot. So bicycle, 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 bicycle. I think that's all verify. Now if you check the last three this thing in this transaction hash is 68D. So when you click on get tCORE, you see it change. Now you can see it has changed to D6A. It means it has worked. Then click on, where is that stuff? Where is the capture stuff? Okay, click on I'm not a robot. Cars. This is a car, this is a car, this is a car, this is a car. Verify. Click on get USDT from D6A to DDC6. So you can see. So click on add SUSDT to Metamask. Add token. You get, so once we are done with that, you just do that for all the wallets. Let's say about 20 wallets like that, and then you click on wallet. Now you can see on your wallet 1, let's see, on wallet 1 we have this, we don't have USDT here. On wallet 2 we have core and USDT. Now the next thing is to swap all your USDTs to core on each account. Swap all USDTs to core on each account, or to make it easier for yourself, because every day we'll always give a report. If you are able to claim 20 tCORE every day, what you need to do is to send them to a wallet address we are going to use for the validators testnet. So if you claim USDT in all accounts, you can send all the USDT to that account and then send all your tCORE to that account. You understand? So when you send your tCORE and your USDT, just let me know. I'll check and then I'll mark your name. I'll tick your name that you've sent. So once you have done that for that day, then you are free. Then the next day, same thing and same thing. So you just swap all your USDT to tCORE. That was the reason for the first class where I taught all those stuffs. So now you know how to swap. So let's go and swap our USDT to tCORE ASAP. So USDT max swap, approve. Sorry about that. So just click on approve. So after it is approved, click on swap. Let's just wait for this stuff to leave. So click on confirm swap. Click on confirm, and then transaction submitted. So you can just leave and come back to your wallet. So you refresh until you see the increase. It will soon reflect 1.16. So it has reflected. So once you can do this on all accounts, then you send it to one account, which is maybe your account 1. So when you send everything from each account to that your account 1, you get something. If you are doing it for like 15, you get about 15 tCORE or more than, because of the extra SUSDT. You understand? If you are doing for like 20, you get about 23 tCORE. So once you have gotten everything like that, just notify me that you have done your job for the day, and then you send it to me. Now, what's the benefit? You are going to be a co-admin during mainnet just because you participated in this. You understand? And there are also benefits. There's going to be a monthly salary on that, though I'm still deliberating on that with some set of people in my team. So there are so many benefits that will be revealed to you once we can put through this testnet stuff. So it's up to you to decide if you are in or not.